Respa! Mommy!
Just 1 second, okay? Hello, darling.
Hello, my love. Where are you?
Can I be? I'm in the new town, as I told you.
Let's meet at home.
Okay?
I'll give you $500 for the balloons and your costume. Easy. Do you want to play my game and win prizes? First wish. Does your girlfriend work?
Yes, all the time. We've been together for 3 years.
Is he right?
Yes, of course.
Congratulations, you won the first prize for your girlfriend. So, is your girlfriend married?
Of course not.